Hey everyone, welcome back to BWC Finance. Today we're talking about something that might sound boring, but could actually transform your relationship. Zero-based budgeting for couples. Money fights are the worst. Financial disagreements consistently rank among the top reasons for relationship stress. We've all been there, and it's not fun. But what if I told you there's a budgeting approach that could not only help you manage your money better, but actually strengthen your relationship in the process? That's what we're diving into today. Zero-based budgeting is exactly what it sounds like, a method where you allocate every single dollar of your income until you reach zero. This doesn't mean you spend everything. It means every dollar has a specific job, whether that's covering your rent, building your emergency fund, or funding your vacation savings. The core principle is simple. Income minus expenses equals zero. For couples, this creates a shared language around money and ensures both partners know exactly where their money is going. No more mystery spending or surprise credit card bills. First, it forces complete financial transparency. When you create a zero-based budget together, there's nowhere to hide. Every dollar is accounted for, which builds trust because there are no mysterious expenses floating around. Second, it creates a shared financial vision. The process of deciding where every dollar goes requires you to discuss your priorities as a couple. Do you value travel more than dining out? Would you rather save aggressively for a home or enjoy more entertainment now? These conversations help you discover what you truly value together. Third, it eliminates the blame game. With a zero-based budget, overspending becomes less about personal failure and more about adjusting the plan. The conversation shifts from, "Why did you spend so much?" to, "How should we reallocate our budget to cover this?" Finally, it works regardless of your money personalities. Whether one of you is a natural saver and the other loves to spend, zero-based budgeting creates structure while still allowing flexibility for both approaches. Let's break down how to actually do this. First, schedule regular money dates. Set aside specific time each month to discuss your finances. Make it something to look forward to. Pour some wine, order takeout, and approach the conversation with curiosity rather than judgment. Next, gather all your financial information. This includes all income sources, fixed expenses like rent and utilities, variable expenses like groceries and entertainment, debt payments, and savings goals. Complete transparency is crucial here. Third, determine your combined income. Add up everything coming in for the month ahead. This is the total amount you'll be allocating in your budget. Fourth, prioritize expenses together. Start with essentials like housing and groceries, then move to important financial goals like emergency fund contributions and retirement savings. Finally, allocate remaining funds to discretionary categories like dining out and entertainment. The key here is to prioritize together based on shared values and goals. This process often reveals differences in priorities that you can discuss and find compromise on. Fifth, make sure every dollar has a job until your income minus all allocations equals zero. Assigning money to savings or investments counts as giving those dollars a job. Sixth, track spending together using a system that works for both of you, whether that's a budgeting app, a shared spreadsheet, or even cash envelopes for certain categories. Finally, be ready to adjust as needed. No budget survives contact with reality perfectly. When unexpected expenses arise, discuss where you can adjust other categories to compensate. Let's talk about some potential roadblocks and how to handle them. Unequal incomes can be tricky. Consider proportional contributions rather than equal dollar amounts. For example, if one partner earns 70% of the household income, they might contribute 70% to shared expenses. Or you might decide to combine all finances and budget from your total household income. The key is finding an approach that feels fair to both of you. Different money personalities can create tension. Build individual discretionary funds into your budget. Each partner gets a set amount of no questions asked money to spend however they want. This honors different approaches while still maintaining overall budget discipline. Unexpected expenses will happen. Create a specific category for these costs and prioritize building an emergency fund that can absorb larger unexpected expenses without derailing your regular budget. If financial trust has been broken, the transparency of zero-based budgeting can help rebuild it. Consider working with a financial therapist who specializes in couples and money issues. Ready to try this with your partner? Here's a simple plan. Gather all your financial information and make a list of your shared financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Discuss your money values and where you might have differences. Draft your first zero-based budget, allocating every dollar of next month's expected income. Choose your tracking system and set it up. Review your draft budget together, make any needed adjustments, and set calendar reminders for regular check-ins. Then celebrate taking this important step with something enjoyable that fits within your new budget. Zero-based budgeting isn't just about getting your finances in order. For couples, it's a powerful tool for building trust, improving communication, and aligning your values and goals. The process might feel challenging at first, particularly if money has been a source of conflict in your relationship. With persistence and openness, you'll likely find that this approach transforms not just your financial situation, but your relationship as a whole. Budgeting as a couple develops over time. You'll make mistakes, adjust your approach, and gradually find the system that works best for your unique relationship. The goal isn't perfection, but progress toward financial harmony. By giving every dollar a purpose that you both agree on, you're not just managing money more effectively, you're building a financial future together, intentionally and collaboratively. And that's an investment in your relationship that pays dividends far beyond your bank account. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial advice that actually works in real relationships. Drop a comment below with your biggest money challenge as a couple, and I'll try to address it in an upcoming video. See you next time.